Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about plants, and this is my top 5 plants that will do great in any part of your apartment and that will do great even if you neglect them. So if that interests you and you are trying to be a green thumb, or you just want to add a touch of nature into your apartment or house, keep on watching. Alright, so the first plant that I'm getting into is called a peace lily. This plant does not require any sunlight. It really likes to be in shady areas in your home. It also doesn't require much watering, and if you guys have trouble with forgetting to water, or you just need a little bit of help on how to water your plants because you don't know when to, this plant will actually let you know when she needs to be watered. The leaves will start to droop, and all you have to do is water it fully and it will rise back up. Also, this plant is really cheap and you can find them anywhere. Next plant on the list is a ponytail palm. This plant looks like it could use like tropical environment, but you guessed wrong. This plant does not like sunlight, doesn't require any light. It likes to grow in shady spots. It likes to have dry soil. So I water about once every 2 weeks. They are super cheap plants and they grow very long, and they add a very tropical vibe to your home or even your little desktop in your office. Next on the list is a potho plant. These plants are known for their climbing technique. If you put anything in front of them, they will climb it. They also have a variety of different leaves, and this plant is kind of versatile. It will grow anywhere in the house. It does not like sunlight, and the best thing about them is they love water / they don't need water. So you can either have it in a vase like this and just have it growing like an aquarium plant, or you can put them in a little tiny pot and have them grown like this but away from the sun. Next plant on the list is called a ZZ plant. Now, for a little warning with this plant, if you guys have pets, this plant is poisonous to pets, so I wouldn't get it if you have cats or dogs. But on a good note, this plant stays very shiny green. It hates water, so about once a month on watering, and it does not like sunlight. Last but not least is the snake plant / mother-in-law's tongue. This plant has a lot of different names, but the number one thing I've noticed with these plants is that they do not die. I went through months without watering one, and she still looked exactly the same. So I water them once a month, and I keep them out of any direct sunlight, and they are slow growers, but you will see new leaves here and there. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I tried my best to make it as quick as possible and as simple as possible for you guys. If you guys have any other video ideas for plants, or if you guys want to talk about anything else, just leave me a comment down below or just hit me up on Instagram. I will be glad to answer any of your questions and concerns. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will catch you in the next video.